guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add another sheet to your Google Sheets, like to your spreadsheet. So just open up a spreadsheet, and to add another, like one of these things, you can either like duplicate the sheet, but you'll have the same thing. If you want to create just a new page, select insert and select sheet, or press shift F11. I'm just going to select this, and as you can see, you will add, there will be a new one. You can also like rename it, and also you can protect the sheet as well. That means like people can't like edit the data on that sheet, but you can. So for instance, you use the sheet for like attendance, and they're able to like fill them in or something, but like they can't change if they're absent. But you can also like rename it here. So like grades is like protected, and you wanna attendance, like so. You can even add more by selecting the same thing basically, and just move this around to like organize it even more. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!